Welcome to Clinton, South Carolina, and to the 5th annual Clays for Cancer. This is HRP's charity clay shoot to help support the American Cancer Society and breast cancer research. We're so happy to have you with us this year. We're going to keep this video short and sweet and just show you some of the highlights from this event so you can sign up, register when we do it next year. All right, let's take a look.
Hey, I hope you all had fun. Red course. So we switched it up a little bit this year. I know it's super hot. I know we moved it to September. Again, record turnout, so thank you guys so much for coming. This is an event that funnels money into the Upstate Men Wear Pink campaign. There's a whole bunch of literature on the tables about Men Wear Pink. I'm just gonna hold this. This is a good segue. The reality is that HRP Associates gives the Greenville office the opportunity to participate in this. We are encouraged to put hours towards philanthropic events, community events, and I don't think there's a lot of companies out there that do that.